Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream to English. In this particular video, I am going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with S letter in English alphabet. So make sure do watch this video till the end. And one more thing, I have an amazing gift for you. This is an ebook. By the help of this ebook, you can enhance pronunciation and vocabulary of your child following 8 tips which I have mentioned in this ebook. So don't forget to grab this amazing free gift using given link in description box. My name is Dr. Ratan Patel and I am an English grammar trainer. I help in improving English grammar. So without making further delay, let's get started. Here is phrasal verb that starts with S alphabet. First one is see off, to go to a station, an airport, etc. to say goodbye to somebody who is starting a journey. Vida karna. My friend came to the station to see off me. Next one is see over, to visit and look at a place carefully. Parvekshan karna. We need to see over the house before we can make you an offer. Next one is sell out, to have sold all the available items, tickets, etc. सारा बेच देना. I am sorry, we have sold out of bread. Next one is sell off, to sell things cheaply because you want to get rid of them or because you need the money. पैसे के अभाव में सस्ते में बेच देना. He sold off his gold watch to pay his debts. Next one is send for, to ask or tell somebody to come to you especially in order to help you. बुला भेजना. Send for a doctor quickly. Next one is set back, to delay the progress of somebody by a particular time that they deserve it. उन्नति में रुकावट डालना. The bad weather set back the building program by several weeks. Next one is set upon, to attack somebody suddenly. हमला करना. I opened the gate and was immediately sat on by a large dog. Next one is certain, to put somebody in a room and keep them there. To go to a room and stay there. घेरना, कैद करना. She shut the dog in the shed while she prepared the barbecue. Next one is stand back, to move back from a place. पीछे लौटना. The police ordered the crowd to stand back. Next one is stave something off, to prevent something bad from affecting you for a period of time. To delay something, दूर रखना, विलंब करना. The company managed to stave off bankruptcy for another few months. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any doubt or question in your mind, put your questions and doubt in comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.